We are up in the Peak District on the best day of the year so far.
Today we're using the drone to lift in fenced enclosures, then we'll plant trees in. We're basically creating some woodland up on the moorland area.
Traditionally, all the materials that we're carrying would have been carried by hand. And of course, National Trust as a huge employer have a really big health and safety commitment to their staff. If they can find better, safer, more effective ways of working that also happen to be more environmentally sensitive, don't involve taking vehicles onto the land, well, of course they're interested.
The benefit of using drones is it's zero impact on the ground to move from point A to point B. I think it would have been quite a challenge to actually get any materials out there without using this approach. So what we're doing here is we're being much more precise and taking small loads to exactly where we need them.
The drone itself is a XAG P100 Pro, so it's one of the biggest on the market in the UK. The attachment that's on it today, usually either comes with a spray tank or a spreading tank. Obviously today with what we're doing, it's just an airframe and a winch system for lifting these materials. Payload around 50 to 60 kilos.
There's a huge difference between that noise and the noise of a helicopter. You can still hear the birds over that, and there are birds as well, which probably wouldn't be if you're using a helicopter. There's a lot more wind as well, a lot more downforce. So I think, the main advantage is it's less impactful from a noise perspective, and environmentally it uses less fuel.
I think Andy and his team have brought huge problem-solving enthusiasm. There's no no's, we can't do that. There's only, we'll figure out a way of doing it. And you can see today, the guys are really working flat out to deliver. So it's been a really positive experience.